This formula for resistance is one that we find in science. So what it says is that the total resistance, R here, is equal to, well, you have to find, first of all, the reciprocal of the resistance 1 plus the reciprocal of resistance 2 plus the reciprocal of resistance 3, and we add those together, and then we put that all divide 1 by that number. So this is when we have this parallel circuit here. Okay, so this is a parallel circuit, and some of you may have seen this in a science class. So what we can do then for part A is find the total resistance by just plugging into that formula. So I'm going to plug in to that formula. My R1 is 2 ohms. My R2 is going to be 3 ohms. And my R4 is going to be 4 ohms. Okay, then I'm going to do my calculation here. I am going to clear out this denominator in the bottom here by multiplying by 2 times 3 times 4. And then I have to make sure that I do that to the numerator to balance this. Okay, so the factors here are going to cancel. Okay, in the denominator, so the 2 cancels with that. And so we end up with, maybe I'll do the numerator first, so 2 times 3 times 4. That's going to give me 24 in the top. I'm just going to highlight that here. Okay, so this times this is going to give me this, and then the rest is going to be what I'm calculating in the denominator. So the 2's cancel out, so I end up with 3 times 4. Maybe I'll do that in green so you can keep track of it a little bit easier. So when the 2's cancel, I'm left with 3 times 4 plus, when the 3's cancel, I'm left with 2 times 4. And when the 4's cancel, okay, so that was what's canceled here. And when the 4's cancel, I'm left with plus 2 times 3. Okay, so I'm going to simplify this expression. I get 24 divided by 12 plus 8 plus 6. And so that's going to leave me with 24 over 26. Okay, so we can simplify that to 12 over 13. And that's my new parallel resistance. My total resistance is going to be just a little bit less than 1 ohm.